large. Yeah. So XL is also there. XL is good. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll pay for it. Can you give me this color also? Yeah, can you make one? So, and once after I wear this, I mean, I'll go home and just try it on. Yeah, I mean, this one and this one both. So once I feel this is perfect, I think it should be okay. It's too big.
You can let me know on
Huh? Trying to give me subtle message.
So after lunch, it may not.